Timer, please note his allotted timings are 5 to 7 minutes. Your speech title is FMA Thought Process. All the best, Toastmaster Pradeep. Amazed all of us by presenting speech on such mysterious topic. Thanks, and over to you, Toastmaster of the Day, Toastmaster Saitel.
Thank you, Toastmaster Geetanjali. Now, Toastmaster Pradeep, I'll give you 30 seconds so that you can check your video, audio, and adjust your settings accordingly.
Am I audible and visible?
Yes,
Hello.
you are. But as you go backward, it is feeble. Can you speak?
Yes.
Okay. Toastmaster Geetanjali, are you okay with this voice? Or?
But I can't see him.
Okay. If you can come forward, Toastmaster Pradeep. Yeah, I think this is okay, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Toastmaster Pradeep, FMA thought process. Toastmaster Pradeep, over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster of the Day. Good morning, fellow Toastmasters and esteemed guests. Today, I want to share with you a very powerful thought process which will help you to overcome the challenges of your life. It may be relationship challenge, financial challenge, or it may be health challenges. And this thought process is taken from the life of the successful people who consistently able to produce desired results when they face any challenge. And I call this thought process as FMA thought process. So whenever we face any challenge, say for example, we are facing a relationship challenge, our thought process normally goes in different directions and we feel stuck in that situation and we revolve in the same kind of situation and there is no any way to come out of it. So how should we think? How should we use our mind so that we can able to overcome such type of situations in our life? The first thing that we have to check is where is our focus? Whether my focus is on the complaint or whether my focus is on the solution. So suppose you have a relationship issue. Now you have to check with yourself whether you are focusing on who is responsible for this relationship issue, who cheated me, how long that problem will go on. Instead of focusing on all these parameters, if we shift our focus and we see that, okay, this is the problem that has happened with me and let me think about the solution. So the first thing, focus. Now the second one, meaning. What meaning you are giving to that situation or what meaning you are giving to that problem? Whether you are giving the meaning, negative meaning, or whether you are giving the positive meaning. In this relationship issue, whether you are giving meaning that I am a victim, I'm underprivileged, I'm not lucky, I am not worthy, I'm the one who left out. Instead of giving the negative meaning to the situation, if you give the positive meaning to the situation, that the new challenge is arrived and let me defeat that challenge. This is an opportunity for me to learn my skill set, to build my mindset. And I will learn how to come out of these types of situations in a very effective manner. So the second thing is meaning. Now the third, action. What actions can you take to overcome that challenge? If you face any kind of problem and you are focused, if you focus on the solution, the meaning you are giving to that situation is positive meaning, you are bound to take right kind of actions. And if you are focused and the meaning you are giving to that situation is negative meaning, you will not be able to come out of that situation. And this is the most important thing that we have to understand in our life. Dear friends, I face a lot of negative comments in my life and I get a lot of distracted and frustrated when I face negative comments. Now I checked with this FMA thought process. How can I solve that problem? So the first thing, that is focus. If my focus is on the solution, whenever negative comments comes to me, my focus should be on solution. What meaning I can give to that negative comments? If the negative comments that are coming to me, if they are distracting me, that means I have to build myself. I have to grow myself. Nobody can insult you without your permission. And for anybody to insult you, you have to value their opinion first. Dear friends, do not let somebody's opinion to become your reality. If you are giving importance to other people's opinion, that means you have not understand you appropriately. Dear friends, if you adopt this approach, if you say your past, if you have overcome from any kind of challenge that you face in your past, you will see that the focus at that time is your focus is on the solution. The meaning you are giving to that problem is positive meaning, and then only you came out of that situation. And if you have done in the past, you can adopt the same approach and you can come out of that problem in present and future also. If you give the meaning to any negative comment, that this negative comment is coming to me, this pain is coming to me, so that I can go through that pain, and when I go through, I will grow through in my life. Dear friends, any event that is happening in our life, that event has no meaning. We are giving the meaning to the events. We can change that meaning. What is the opportunity? What is the outcome that I want to achieve? What is the learning? How that negative comment will be helpful for me? If we think in this way, it is very much easy for us to come out of the situations that we face in our life. If you face any kind of challenge, your thought process, if you see your thought process with these three most important ingredients: focus, meaning, and action, FMA. If your thought process, if you channelize your thought process with focus, meaning, and action, you will find the way. You will find that your thought process get aligned, and you will come out of the challenge. Dear friends, before completion of my speech, I will tell you a very powerful quote from Wayne Dyer. If you change the way you look at the things, if you change the way you look at the things you look at change. Dear friends, I thought this FMA approach shows us, tells us how should we see towards the things. We should focus on the positive things. We should give proper meaning, that means positive meaning to the situation, and we have to take right kind of actions. Our actions, we cannot take right kind of actions if our focus and the meaning is negative. Thank you. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Toastmaster Pradeep Mane, for the speech. Now, I would like to invite